Give them up, a warning to residents of Hanover who are watchdogs for criminals. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made that call yesterday at a groundbreaking for a new housing development in Green Island, Hanover. Details in this report.
The symbolic groundbreaking for a new National Housing Trust NHT residential scheme in Lucy, Hanover. The NHT boasts that when complete, the 63-unit housing development will be a sight to behold. But there's a sad reality plaguing the parish. Incidents of murders and shootings have changed the face of Hanover, which was once described as quiet and quaint.
What is happening here? That's a question that every single Hanoverian should ask, because that belies the true nature of the hospitable people that I see when I come to Hanover. It shouldn't be.
Prime Minister Holness notes that the police are doing what they can. He also had a warning to residents: stop harboring and protecting criminals.
I know that they have been successful in apprehending some of the persons who are alleged or suspected of committing the crimes. But that is not going to be enough. There has to be a stronger cooperation between the citizens and the police to give up the criminals.
And it's important, he further adds, for crime to be controlled because long-term, Hanover is being eyed for tourism development. Plans, he says, are already in place.
And if people are hearing that there is violence and they're not safe, when they come, if they come, they're going to lock up in their hotel. And that just locks off the money from you, because all of you can work in the hotel. So it is in your interest to make sure that you create a climate and an atmosphere in your communities that people can choose to come and visit you.